This is episode 3 of my summer diaries, and I'm waiting on my dad currently. He's like 3 minutes away. I'm in Chicago right now, but we're about to do a road trip to Wisconsin Dells, and yeah, it's 8:15 Chicago time, and I have not been asleep since 4 a.m. I didn't take a nap though. I was listening to The Tenant by Freedom McFadden. That's really good. I'm not expecting that plot twist. There's probably another one, but yeah. Yeah, can't wait for this road trip. But I will see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so I forgot to update y'all. We finally made it to Wisconsin Dells. It is about 6:22. We went to the water park a little bit. I am kind of stuck. I have this bikini on. If y'all can see, I have this like on, and yeah, but I'm about to take a shower. We might do something later, but I'm not sure. Got hungry, so I got my little tray of things. I ate 2 V bars, so good. I have a few things that I'm gonna eat. I'm also drinking a pineapple juice. I'm about to drink this root beer. We don't really have any water, so I would drink a water because I had coffee today. You know, my addiction. But in a minute, I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for the day. So yeah, get ready for the night. See y'all later. Okay, I just finished this and putting it on. Kind of like it. We'll see how it works the rest of the day. But 10:28. I don't know what I'm about to do, but yeah. And I don't have a car, so I can't drive the car. But yeah. See y'all when I do something, I guess. Hey guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I think I took a nap, but where's my phone? Oh. I think I took a nap earlier, but it is 5:46 Friday, July 4th, so happy July 4th. Y'all won't see this on July, but happy July 4th. We're going to some food trucks right now. I took a nap. We went to the outlet earlier and got a few things. But yeah, we're on a food truck like I said. And yeah, I will see y'all when I'm at the food trucks. I did a little damage. I'm at the outlet mall. I didn't feel like taking my camera off. But I'm thinking of going to TJ Maxx right now. But I don't know. But yeah. But what I have on. And I can't wait to show y'all what I got. It is Saturday. I'm doing a no work on vacation, so this is what I'm not wearing. Hey y'all. So I am dressed, as you can kind of see. Hold on, let me actually do it here. So I am dressed, as you can see. I gotta put on my shoes, but it is about 5 o'clock. We're about to go to the movies, but this is a really cute fit. Gonna have fun. Yeah. But yeah. I want to talk to y'all when I'm about to leave. So, and sorry if I haven't been vlogging. It's just we haven't been really doing anything right now. But I probably will vlog tomorrow. And what's it called? Today and tomorrow. And then Monday's my official last day, and then Tuesday I go back to Atlanta. So yeah.